And we are currently in Terminal 3 where Flair is flying today. And I'm excited to find out which aircraft we're flying. I hope it's the Boeing 737-800. Before we proceed with the actual trip report of our experience flying with Flair from Toronto to Winnipeg, I would like also to share with you guys some of the tips that you have to remember if you decide to fly with Flair in the future. I am doing this, guys, just to give you some ideas of what to expect because I know a couple of people that booked their flight with Flair and unfortunately they didn't really have a good experience with them. And today, I'll just want to share with you guys some of the tips that you have to remember so that you won't have a bad experience flying with them. One of the first thing that you have to remember is that Flair is a low-cost airline. They are an LCC. They offer cheap flights across Canada and now they're trying to expand their route in the US. So you have to remember that everything with Flair is for a fee. Aside from just buying your plane ticket, you also have to purchase, number two, your luggage if you're bringing something with you. Because you have to remember that when you book the basic fare with Flair, you're only allowed to bring with you a personal item in the flight. Just to save a couple of bucks, I recommend for you to just buy a checked-in luggage instead of the hand carry if you're flying with them because it will be more in terms of what you can bring because the price for the hand carry and the price for the actual checked-in luggage is the same. So it's better for you to just buy the bigger luggage and then you will save. I mean, you won't really save anything, but at least you will have more room for your stuff you're gonna be bringing to the destination you're going to. In our case, when I booked our flight with Flair, I also purchased a luggage. So I decided to book a bundle so that it will save me more and it will save me time during the check-in time. Because you also have to remember that the price of the luggage when you book ahead of time is cheaper than you buying checked-in luggage in the airport. Another tip that I can share with you guys is that if you booked a bundle, you're gonna be checking in priority. So I don't know if this is what they do, but based on our experience during the check-in process, we were assisted first because our ticket was purchased in bundles, so we were able to board the plane first. Since they are an LCC airline, don't expect anything. I don't know if this is what they do, but based on our experience, there are no services provided. Actually, they were not giving away free drinks. They were not selling any food. I don't know if that's how they do their flight, but there was no services at all, so we have to purchase our food in the airport and then we bring that food in our flight. The only service they provided is that they collect garbages and then that's it. And another one that I can share with you guys is that there is no IFE with Flair, so you have to make sure to download your movies. Just for you not to get bored, especially if the flight is a little bit longer than an hour or two. I was thinking before that since they have their app, I can probably watch a couple of movies in there. Same goes with Air Canada and WestJet. Even Soup, actually, you can watch movie through their app, but unfortunately with Fare, they don't have anything. So make sure to download any movies through your phone so that you won't get bored during the flight. I guess that's just the only thing that I can share with you guys. So if you decide to book a flight with Flair, I hope you remember all the information I provided so that you will have a smooth and good experience with them. Good morning, home time. Home time. Vacation mode is done. Ma, yung mask mo. Terminal 3, guys. Looking for Flair. And I guess it's on the very end. So may dulo siya, so to go there. The bus driver from our shuttle dropped us on the other end. Found it! $22. So here at the airport, I didn't check which aircraft we're flying today, so we'll find out later. So early. 4:30 pa lang eh. Everything is closed. And we're heading to our gate. D22. It's just like the bingo. And we are currently in Terminal 3, where Flair is flying today. And I'm excited to find out which aircraft we're flying. I hope it's the Boeing 737-800. So this is going to be our aircraft. It's registered as CFFLA. And I've searched online, and this aircraft was the same aircraft we rode when we flew here to Toronto. So whatever plane we had last time, this is going to be the same. It's the Boeing 737-68, and yeah, that's it. I was expecting it to be a different aircraft this time, but unfortunately it's going to be the same.
Boarding pass in hand, gate B22 for Flair 5312 with service to Winnipeg.
And then again, we're heading to the plane. It's weird. That's it. 27. It's the same aircraft actually. So that's it, guys. I hope it's not that full so that I can sit here. Groom. I don't know why the middle one is bigger compared to this. Okay, that. Oh. Sweet. What's that?
This morning will be 2 hours and 18 minutes at 30 days all paid. We're just waiting for the final paperwork and count to get out on the way. Ladies and gentlemen, please listen to this carefully. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and Transport Canada regulations, all the passengers on board this aircraft must wear. Looking for 1 or 2 more again here, but we're well into the schedule, so should be departing here on time or early. Time of 2 hours 18 minutes. We're going to go up to 38,000 feet, and yeah, we're not expecting any turbulence on route today, but we'll take it as it goes here. There's a little bit of weather on route, but so I just kindly ask you to keep your seatbelts fastened at all times. On the seatbelt Pour l'attacher, insérez la boucle dans la pince et ajustez-la à votre hanche. Pour la détacher, soulevez la partie du haut. Le Boeing 737 possède 8 sorties de secours. Il y a 4 portes de secours.
So guys, I'm here in the laboratory. It's dark because they dimmed the light, and I don't know what happened there, but I fell asleep all throughout the flight. They've been announcing that we begin our descent already, and just decided to take the washroom because I've been sleeping for almost 2 hours now. So yeah. So there's really nothing fancy about the lavatory. It's just a sink, this table here for the baby. They have tissues, soap, and then this another sink, and just a mirror. So there we go. Kami nasa gitna kam? Ha?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Pagpilay-pilay ka. Welcome to Winnipeg. 8:10. We arrived early, so yeah, we can sleep after. Lamig dito ah. Malamig sa atin. So that's our plane, guys. It was the same plane as we had when we left. There. That one. Winnipeg. Kaya nga. Bienvenue, Winnipeg. So guys, there's just only few left people here. Some my terminal picking their luggage, and unfortunately mine is not here yet. I don't know what's wrong, but I've been waiting for so long. I guess there's just only a couple of us here already, so we'll see. There we go. That's mine. Quack.